friends, Allie from Allie's Crafts here, just to show you what I did with the Mark Maker set from Illustrated Faith. I am containing it all for right now in this Traveler's Notebook from Webster's Pages. Love the teal, and it kind of matches some of the kit colors, so not perfectly, but pretty close. So in here I've got the pockets filled with some prayer request cards, some of the stickers, the Mark Maker card, the ephemera, and then the stamp set is tucked in here. And then I have this pocket that has 3 slots right here, and then a zipper pocket, so it like flips and goes in the strings. I've got that filled with some bits that I want to use. This is a sticker from my shop, but I thought it kind of fit the theme really well. And then some of my favorite ephemera bits, the tags, I have those filled those really nicely. And then in that same string is the sticker sheet that's like folded in half, and it fits perfectly in there. And then I put some more prayer request cards and more stickers, and then these are my post-its from my shop, and I thought the teal worked really well with this kit, and then the Library of God sticky notes too, just for when I want to document some things and write some verses out. And then the booklet that's Traveler's Notebook size fits right in there. And then I added in another blank notebook just for notes, and I thought I would leave this pocket blank because I'm sure I'm going to add more to this. So it's a nice thick chunky little book. I included my favorite Sharpie pen in there just so I can take notes, but this will be really great. Stick this in my purse and just do some really quick journaling and studying, and everything stays together. So I'll probably switch this out for every kit if I get the rest of them going forward, but for right now this is going to work perfectly for me. So I hope you enjoyed that. The kit is sold out right now, but they do have it as a printable in the Illustrated Faith shop, so I'll link all of that below, as well as everything else that I have here, including these little pockets and the sticky notes. So I hope you enjoyed the quick look through, and I'm really excited to show you what I'm going to be doing with this kit. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.